So in this video, I'm just making a brief demo of crafting a prompt using ChatGPT and pasting it right in here. Just a few different aspects that it popped out that made a well-structured prompt. I'm not going to click the enhance prompt down here. I'm just going to go ahead and put in the GPT prompt and show you just how quickly it can create an entire site. I'll fast forward through this part. It took maybe 3 minutes to build the site in total. That the site is created, you'll see in the preview pane it pops up and we've got keywords highlighted. There's different text. The mouse is even customized and moves. As we scroll down, you see the new material pop up from the bottom with some animation. We have a couple blocks with some blog information and links to information, some statistics, a little graph with more percentages, little personal description, and a form to submit and generic information because that's what we told it to make. Obviously, this is not multiple pages, it's just a one-page application, so these just link to different parts of the page. And then the links go externally. You can't check that inside the preview pane here. One thing I did notice while I was moving the mouse around was it was very laggy because of the animation. So we're just gonna put in a quick prompt here to tell it to fix that. And then I will actually use the enhanced prompt here so it can take my badly worded need and convert that into technical information that the AI can then use to fix that visual on the spot. Pops out and it's all fixed. Quick and easy. And then once you're done, you can pretty much export your files in a folder and then work somewhere else with them if needed.